Hey everybody, Dave here from Terrace Studios, and tonight I'm going to be planting the Melon cooler garden. So I'm going to be planting cantaloupes and watermelons in my coolers that I have outside my studio here. So I'll show you guys what I'm up to. So here's one of my watermelon babies, and when I started these, I just started them in little cups. I can't pick up the cup now. Well, there you can see it. It's just one of those little peat pots that you can buy and fill up with potting soil. And I did that for my melons and some other stuff too, because I had good luck with doing the store-bought pots in hydroponics that were filled with potting mix. So I just bought these little peat pots and filled them with potting mix, planted my seeds, and then they fit right into the net cups. So I didn't really need any clay pebbles or anything. There was just a little bit of space around them. And I hope I wasn't moving around too fast with this camera, making you guys sick, but I just wanted to show you guys all that. And this is the bigger watermelon back here in the coffee can. That one was done the same way. I did put some clay pebbles on top of it, but it wasn't really necessary. And let's see, we can even see, here's a little baby. There's a watermelon. There's a watermelon. So we're going to go plant these into my coolers outside. Okay guys, so there we have in the middle, we have a watermelon in the middle going into that hole. And to the right here we have a cantaloupe going into that one. And on the left, we have another watermelon, not as big as the first, going into this cooler. So I have about 10 gallons in the two end coolers, and 15 gallons fit in the big cube cooler. And that did really well for both the watermelons and the cantaloupes in past years. So I'm excited to get these in, guys. So let's go ahead right over and drop this baby in. This cantaloupe. So I don't have other fill holes on these coolers. What I'm going to do is I can lift it up enough on that side to either pour a bucket in or to get my watering bucket spout in there. But I usually can hold the bucket lid in the plant, or my wife can hold that while I pour a bucket in. And I'm going to have the plants come off on this side, which is away from the way the lid opens. So the lid opens towards us this way. So I'll be able to fill from the back side, and I'll let the plants come down on this side. And this is the way the sun is also. So we have sun coming from this side. Now what I didn't really figure out yet, guys, is what to do about rain infiltration, which hasn't been that much of a problem last year. And but we have a good week of weather coming where we're not going to really have any rain, so that'll give me some time to think about it. But I would like to put something to help them with that, even though hasn't been a really big problem. So there we go, guys. There we are. Now I don't know if these watermelons up here are going to weight this down and try to pull that cup out. I may have some challenges ahead of me, I'm not sure. These are sugar baby watermelons, but if worse comes to worse, I could probably tie something around the cooler or something to give them something to hang on. So that's one. Sugar baby watermelon, the cantaloupe, and now we'll do this last watermelon down here. And these shouldn't need too much tending for a while. And this one too, I'm going to turn around. This one, it doesn't matter too much because this lid opens left to right. But I'm gonna try to keep this growing off this end. so that I can open this end. And this one is on wheels, and that one is on wheels. So until the vines get down to the ground and kind of grab onto stuff, I'll be able to still move them around if I get a different idea. And also, guys, let me show you what's behind me here. I have my my cover it here. So if we're going to get some rain, I can simply just, my wife and I can just bring this cover it this way and get it right over these, just for when the rain comes. So I hope it works out okay this time. I've never had them over here before, but I thought it would be convenient for the way I'm set up. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated on how those are doing. And I thank you all for watching. I hope you're all doing well. And take care of yourself, take care of each other, and happy growing.